everybody, it's Kat from Creative Crafts, and today's project is making a nice decoration over this candle to match my new mirror that the video right before this one I had put out. And yeah, let's get started. We're going to use the leftover pieces of the branches that we had. So everybody, the next step is what you're going to do is get everything that you need. There's not many things you need. You need some kind of a rope, the extra pieces of the tree branches, and your glue gun. I suggest that you take your wood pieces and match it up, and then you cut it a little bit up. Not too up because you don't want it to catch on fire. So you want to make sure that you put it in a place where you know that's nothing going to happen to it. So cut it. You don't want to have them all the same size. You can try to change it. So I'm going to take these pieces off, and I'm just going to cut a whole bunch of these. Some a little bit longer than the other and some shorter. So now we got everything we need. We're going to start gluing these pieces to the glass. So what we're going to do now is glue this to this glass all around the whole thing. And then we go to the next step. Right to the end here. Exactly at the end. You don't want any of the glass to show or be showing. You know what? I think I'm going to stick it on the... directly next to each other. Don't make the same mistake I just did. So we're done with putting the pieces of the sticks around the glass. You can use an empty glass and then put a tea light inside. You don't have to use this one. I got this candle from IKEA. I already have some in there, and I can always reuse it. Once the candle burns out, I will clean it, and then I can put something new. So now the next step is we're going to put this rope around it, so to give it a little bit of a decoration. So this is the next step. So what you need to do here is you're going to take the end of it, of course, and it depends on how you want to have it. So I glued the string here in the middle. You can put it anywhere you want. You can put it up here, down here, or in the middle. You can wrap it anywhere you want. I will wrap it several times around. So what it's easy to do is just, you know, that it protects it from breaking. You just keep going around until you're satisfied of how many rounds you go. Just make it even. So what I'm going to do is, this is what I want to do, pull it up so that there is no gap in between. This is what I want to do. So it will look so much better once there's no gaps. And I don't want to add too much glue to it. So I just want to put glue where I started and glue where on the end of it. So what you're going to do is try to keep it as close as you can, because it would not look very nice. So this is what you're going to do all the way around. So, and I think I'm just going to go like this. Let me go right where the glue is on the other one, and then we're done. So here is the glue on this side, so this could be the back end. Cut it. And then I want to glue it. So what you could do is stick some glue here, just a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a stick and I'm going to try to stick that piece of rope underneath. There. Perfect. And there you go. Your perfect decoration. If you want to add any flowers to it or something else, you can. But I'm leaving it like this because my living room is going to be more like a nature room, where you're going to see a lot of projects in my living room to do with wood and natural things. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you want, you can follow me on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Instagram, and on Pinterest. I will put the link below. And please comment and let me know what you think of all my projects. This is just a quick little video on showing what you could do to cover the candles here. It's very easy. You can get the sticks from outside when they fall from the tree. You don't have to break it off the tree, and reuse it, and it looks awesome, I think. So don't forget to give that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And I would love to hear from you. Please comment. Thank you. Bye. So here is the finished DIY. It's with the candle and the rocks and the rope. Just 3 things, well, 4 things counting the hot glue gun. It was very easy to make. It's very fast, and you're not throwing anything away. You're always recycling, which I enjoy doing. So I hope you like it.